the peaceful pines in the Northwoods of Wisconsin, where the world seems so far away, to sit under the tall trees and take life slow for a while. Camping in the Northwoods of Wisconsin, a little piece of seclusion, to take life slow where time stands still for a while. Hunting and camping, sitting by the fire at our place called Peaceful Pines in the Northwoods of Wisconsin. Getting away from life, being one with nature at our place in the woods.